Alright, you guys, in Costco, so right here we have organic brown rice. It is a 12 pounder for $12.49. And then $23. This one's going to be for a 25-pound of jasmine rice. And $18.99 we have, oh, a 20-pound. 20 pound. I like the little packaging, it's cute. $18.99. And right next to me for a 25-pound, $10.69 long grain supreme rice. Now this one is going to be vacuum sealed. They kind of look like little bricks. $16.89. This is a 20-pound. And $27.99. This is going to be for a 50-pound. So if you're looking for organic brown rice, like in the bowl, it's already cooked for you, gluten-free. You get 6 in here for $8.99. And Thai sticky rice is at $10. $11.39. Quinoa and brown rice. Now these come in pouches, and cilantro and lime rice, which is $10.89. And making this is actually really easy, but if you're really in a hurry, just trying to get it on the go, $10.89. I feel like Sam's Club has more variety on pinto beans. I think this is the only pinto bean bag here in Costco. It is $15.99 for a 25-pound bag. They're tripled clean. And $10.99 on black beans. $14.59. More bulk shopping, $8.99. This is stir-fried cheesy ramen. Again, yeah, I feel like this is something you have to be in the mood for. Cheddar, $8.99. And then $16.99. We have the K-pop Demon Hunter on the packaging. On the ramen. I've never seen this show, but it is very popular everywhere I go. And if you're looking for some noodle cups or something to have in your cabinet, $11.79 here on chicken cut noodles or chicken cup noodles, $11.79. And if you're a teacher, this is always good to have in a cabinet for a student who is possibly hungry. I remember my art teacher always had peanut butter crackers, noodles, and like maybe some tuna pouches. Yeah, and she would only charge us $0.25, and if we didn't have $0.25, she would give it to us for free. $11.79. This is $11.99 and $12.69. Now if you're looking for the ramen rice and noodles, these are going to be $8.89, and you do get a 12 pack. $13.49. Made in Italy, the fettuccine organic egg and pasta nest, which is going to be pretty good. Look it's all you need to make it. Doesn't have a whole paragraph like in the grocery store. $13.49 for 2.5 bags. And $12.79 on the organic spaghetti. You get 8 in here. Oh my gosh, I did get quite a bit. And $10.79. You got a little variety pack. It will be organic. Again, very simple ingredients. These are made in Italy. And cherry tomato feta, really, $11.99. I haven't tried this one, but if you have, let me know. They do have this for $10.99, the Alfredo. I mean, it is okay. It gets the job done. I would just add a few more items, but if you're in a hurry, understandable. Now this one is my favorite, $11.99. $15.99 on a solid white. Okay. $17.59 on chunk light tuna. $13.99 on the sardines and olive oil. Oh gosh, you guys were trying to fry sardines. Ugh, made the whole house smell terrible. Oh, anchovies. Okay, we have the chili with beans, $7.99. Actually, no, this is $15 down here.
The anchovies fried, they actually tasted like, you know, the beef jerky that's like all ground up into like almost like a stringy powder, the beef jerky stuff. It tasted just like it.
And $12.49, these are organic. Again, just more like cabinet pantry. We have black beans organic. These are $8.69. 12 cans here. They're going to be $11.99 for corn and green bean. Unbleached bread flour, 100% American grown. This is $8.99. Yeah, I heard King Arthur is supposed to be actually really, really good. And then $15.99 on the Kirkland original unbleached flour, all-purpose. And then $8.49 on all-purpose flour. Next to me, $10.99 whole wheat flour. And the sugar here is $18.99. Guys, don't forget Winco has bulk too. $18.99 for a 25-pound bag. $7.89. This is actually cheaper than Walmart, which is really sad. $7.89. And then if you want organic cane sugar here, it is going to be $11.99 for a 10-pound. Now if you want a 7.5 pound, $10.39. This is a, yeah, 23. Quaker oats are $7.89, and that's for two 5-pound bags. $10.49. We have gluten-free organic sprouted oats, which is pretty good. $10.49, and that is for an 80 ounce. $21.49 on instant coffee. Okay, we have Pirate Booty. Oh, look, they're Pikachu shapes. $6.99. That is funny. Can we get one of these shapes? That would be kind of cool. Sell that on eBay. $3 million on eBay. Moving on to the cheeses. You know what? These videos do come in handy, especially for me, because I get to look back. Because normally when at the grocery store, I don't think of buying like big stuff of cheese. But then I realized, you know what? That you guys do eat a lot of cheese. $11.99 here. This might be a little too big though. But it's 2 bags of mozzarella. You could also freeze it. Like right here, Monterey Jack is my favorite. $4.89 for a 2-pound. That is a good price. And they also have Colby Jack. See, I never look. I paid $2 or $3 for a tiny block, and it was done in a day because we made tacos. It was done in a day.
2 pounds.
Yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna have to come here. And then $11.99 right here. So we have Kirkland buffalo, and you get sauce too. 4 pounds, $16.99. Okay, you guys, I just had a sample of these. These are $13.99, and that's what they look like. They're actually pretty good. They're pretty good. Yeah, I liked it. All right, veggies. You get $13.99 here for a 6-pound. Broccoli, $9.29. Organic green peas. You're the only one who likes green peas, so I normally never buy like a big bag. I just get like a small bag. $8.99.
I'd get that bag.
And then organic broccoli is $9.29. $11.69, and that's organic. Okay, for eggs, we have the organic large brown eggs. They're $7.69. How many do you get in here? 24. Cage-free egg whites, $11.99. Okay, and the Kirkland, $3.69 for 24. I mean, hey, it's still not bad. $8.99. Now, I feel like this was cheaper here, right?
It is cheaper.
This is cheaper here compared to Sam's Club. Because you get, how many do you get?
I could get 120 here. At Sam's, it was 60.
Yeah, Sam's was 60. You do get more here. $8.99.
5 dozen eggs, yeah.
5 dozen, $8.99. Alright, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here in the Costco on a little bit of bulk items on big, like rice, beans. There's only 1 bag of pinto beans to choose from. Anyways, here in the Costco. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.